All right, we're on Unit 10, Lesson 2, and question number 1 says, determine the length of the radius of the circumscribed circle to the right with legs 7 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So it doesn't really matter where you put the 7 and the 4, but clearly this side looks smaller than the other side, so I'm going to say that's 4 and that's 7. To get that diameter AB, you're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So you would say 4 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. I don't know why it just changed to purple, but we have 16 plus 49 equals c squared. And 16 plus 49 gives me, what does that give me? 64? Nope, 65. All right, so this says round to the nearest hundredth. So when I go ahead and take the square root of both sides, I can just get a decimal answer there to the nearest hundredth. And then keep in mind that answer is going to be the whole diameter, and the question is asking you for the length of the radius. So make sure once you get your value of c, you're going to have to divide it by 2 to get the length of the radius. Question number 2 is actually pretty much the same as question number 1, except they are giving you, hold on, let me erase that. They are giving you a diameter this time, and you have to find the length of one of the legs. So we're going to skip that one, and we are going to scroll down right to question number 4. And question number 4 says, in the figure below, O is the center of the circle. AD is the diameter, so AD, obviously going through point O, is the diameter, and the measure of DBO, let's see where that is. DBO is 24, so I'm going to put 24 in here as that angle. So we've got to find a couple other angles here. It says find the measure of BDO, which is this angle here, and BOD. Okay, I'm going to start with knowing that all radii of a circle are congruent. So that, and that, and that, and actually this one too, are all congruent. But if I first of all just take a look at this triangle is isosceles. So if I have 24 there, I can also put 24 for this angle. And we can find this missing angle by saying 24 plus 24 is 48, and 180 minus 48, which is 132. So that would be the measure of this angle here, 132. Okay, AOB, that's my next one. AOB, if I've got this as 132, these form a straight line together, and so you're just going to subtract that from 180, which actually we just kind of did the opposite of that, so that's 48. And my next question says AOB to BOC is 3 to 4. What's the measure of BOC? Let's look where BOC is. BOC is here. So AOB to BOC is 3 to 4, so I'm going to set up a proportion. 3 is to 4 as, we already know the measure of AOB, so 48 is to x. You're going to go ahead and cross multiply and solve for x, and that will be the measure of BOC.